stayed in Hermiston, Oregon last night at Pioneer RV Park. Nice park, nice people. So if you're ever in the Hermiston area in the Columbia River Gorge, check out the Pioneer RV Park. Good place to stay. Full hookups, 30 amp, 50 amp, water and sewer. Of course, the water is turned off because it's like 7 degrees at night. The potato chip plant in Hermiston exploded last night, and I guess a boiler or something blew up, and there were emergency vehicles and all kinds of stuff going crazy all evening and into the night. But yeah, so that was a little bit chaotic. But we're on the highway, and we're heading toward Palouse Falls. This will be pretty fun. I wanted to go this way instead of Highway 395 and up through, Kennewick and to meet up with the I-90. I wanted to go this way, number one, for Palouse Falls, but two, this goes through the scablands from the Ice Age floods. Check out on YouTube, there's a video about the Ice Age floods. Pretty cool. So, thousands of years ago, there was right around Missoula, Montana, there was a glacier that came down and it dammed I think it was the Clark Fork River, that created Lake Missoula, which was an Ice Age lake. And then over time, the ice started to melt and the river broke through, creating a catastrophic flood that came down through the Washington Scablands in eastern Washington and down through the Columbia River Gorge and Snake River, parts of the Snake River Gorge as well. Anyway, it's a pretty interesting video. Just imagine a wall of water several hundred feet high coming through here at 100 miles an hour. Entering Walla Walla County. Washington. This is Highway 124, the Lewis and Clark Trail. I'm in southeastern Washington, not too far from Walla Walla. A lot of farmland, beautiful out here. The Columbia River's out that way. The Snake River is in front of me, about 20 miles. it's the Snake River. Narrow bridge, suck it in. Ferry State Park. Closed for the winter, no camping. Oh yeah, now we gotta climb up out of this canyon. So that was the Snake River Gorge. So now we gotta climb up out of it. And we're only about 5 miles from Palouse Falls State Park. Alright, well I just climbed up out of the canyon there. And it wasn't too bad. Of course it is winter. And it's only 23 degrees out, so the truck didn't even get hot. But I can imagine in the summertime when it's 105 up here, 110 up here, that would be a brutal climb. Alright, this is turn off. Looks like 2 miles of gravel road.
In 2.3 miles, the destination is on your right, Palouse Falls State Park.
2.3 miles. And there's no camping in here. Campground is closed, and there's no overnight parking. Hopefully we'll get some. There aren't any good clouds up to the north, but man, to the east and to the south, they're gorgeous. We'll see. I'll take it easy on this washboard. Washboard's not too bad. I'll just have to tighten up some nuts and bolts when I get back out onto the highway. Well, the last little bit of this road, the parking lot is right there, but the last little bit of this road is pretty rough, and I imagine that if it was raining, it would be pretty snotty. So, take that into consideration. There's a cool little placard about the Ice Age flood. You can pause and read that. It's pretty cool. There's a marmot over there again. He's chirping. So I'm up here at the viewpoint. It's a covered gazebo, and with a really good view of the falls. Unfortunately, winter time, it's not the best time because of the shadows over the falls, but it is what it is. It's beautiful regardless, and man, I'm just amazed at this place. Let's pause and read that. Here's that gazebo, covered gazebo. Time to get back on the road. There's the parking lot over there. Nice trail. Somebody's flying their drone. That's funny. The guy over there flying his Mavic. Evidently he can't read because there's a sign over here too. Well, that was cool. Beautiful, beautiful place. And I'd love to come back here when the campground's open and stay a night or two, hike around. There are some trails, but and it looks like there's a place to dry camp over there, but I'm not gonna do that this time. That was really cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.